My name is Bart Voortman and I work for Weibo in the Netherlands. My role within Weibo is to help further on innovation projects in a European context related to the renovation of European dwellings. And the role of Weibo is a producer in the European market of complete facade elements that can be used in new build or in renovation. eSafe is of very high value for Weibo as it offers the opportunity to innovate in the seismic properties of our current product and to further improve upon that. Furthermore, eSafe provides us the opportunity to work together with universities and other partners that can enhance our existing knowledge so that we can innovate our product further, so we can bring it to the European market.